Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to integrate ShipRocket with WooCommerce for efficient shipping and order management. So let's get started. The first step is to install ShipRocket plugin. And to do that, you have to log into your WordPress dashboard. Just go to WordPress in your web browser and search for the website. Once the website appears, click on it and enter your account credentials or log in via your Google account. Once logged in, you will be directed to your WordPress dashboard. From here, navigate to plugins right here on the left side bar here, and search for ShipRocket right here. Search for it, and there it is. Click on it and click on upgrade and activate and follow the prompts. You can enter your informations, and you can, if you want to pay, you'll be asked to pay this amount right here. Now for the second step is to connect your ShipRocket account. You just go to ShipRocket in WooCommerce menu and click on settings. Let's go to WooCommerce. Just go to ShipRocket in the WooCommerce menu, as I said, and click on settings and log in with your ShipRocket account credentials. If you don't have one, create an account at shiprocket.in. Let's see shiprocket.in. And for the third step is to sync WooCommerce store with ShipRocket. In the ShipRocket settings, select your WooCommerce store to sync and enable automatic order syncing to fetch new orders directly into ShipRocket. And that's it. That's how you add ShipRocket to WooCommerce. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.